Baba putting me on a nail pen with my nails there, but it looks this so soft. This pink color looks so softy. Like it's so beautiful, but what you done this one here and one here?
You keep telling your audience. You keep telling them.
And
Also tell them why is Baba putting your nail paint. It's
Why?
because Mama didn't do this.
But why is Baba putting the nail paint, but Mama didn't put it? Okay, guys, I'll tell you in the morning why is Baba doing it. First, Purple's turn, guys. Okay,
Okay, guys.
and next day,
You also tell them to support and follow you.
support and follow you.
No. You say support and follow me.
Support and follow me.
Also subscribe me. Say subscribe my channel.
I can say subscribe.
It's simple. Or you mean it's a multi-syllabic? Subscribe. Say sub.
I can do.
Okay.
And next day, I'll say you first Purple's turn when my daddy is putting all up first one here and one here. Guys, and next day, I will come back tomorrow. And now Baba will put me on the photo. And next, we will be happy and sing with you.
And you tell the guys, what did we eat before we started doing your makeup? What did we eat?
Guys, we're eating shawarma and for
No, guys, we were eating. It's in past now, so we were eating shawarma.
we were eating shawarma. It's so yummy inside the chicken and vegetables.
Yeah, chicken and vegetables, and it was so yummy. And what was the other word you said? What? It was yummy and
Delicious.
delicious, guys. It's delicious. It was very delicious. And did we buy it from the market or we made it at home? You tell the guys, it was homemade shawarma. That's why it was healthy.
There was a homemade shawarma. It was healthy.
Yeah.
Homemade butter is good and a homemade shawarma is good. Eating chicken wings is good.
Yes. What do the chicken has in it? You tell the guys.
Protein.
Yeah, protein. And guys, what you always eat chips and candies and chocolates. These are bad foods, guys. And also they rot the teeth and they hurt our stomach.
And my dad has rot her teeth. My dad has rotten her teeth.
Yeah, Michelle, this is not important. I mean, why are you washing the dirty linen in public? It's a video. Why are you telling them that daddy has one of the teeth rotten? It wasn't necessary. Okay, now you blow your nail so that the nail paint is dried. Come on, blow.
Bye.
Bye. No, you show them your nails. Look, guys.
Look, guys.
Yeah, you say. Tell me how it looks.
How they look?
How does it look?
How does they look?
How does it looks?
How does they look?
Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. You say bye.
Bye, guys. Like, subscribe.
Yeah. See you soon.
See you soon.